OpenSCAD, that's what I wrote it in, and it's actually really nice because you can actually, all these things are just.
Can you hold it up again?
A what?
Hold the thing up?
Piece. Oh, let's see.
That's, okay, that's what you designed.
And that's the actual code and everything for it. Servo holes, and it's just like programming because you just write the code and comment it out. This is the plate for the bottom plate, the base plate, the nose plate, or this nose plate, the right and left eye.
Well, it's because basically the difference between this and something else is instead, pardon me, instead of drawing what you want, you tell it what it should be.
Right, yeah, and you
You're
have
like,
to
I want a
actually-
hole here. I want it to be a circle. I want a rectangle here.
Right.
I would, you know. That,
So I said like cube, it's 5 millimeters high, 42. The nose plate is 5. No, this is plate. It's 100 by 100 by 5. It's 100 in the x-axis, 100 in the y-axis, and 5 in the z-axis, which is right where the arrow's at now. So you can actually, and then if you were going to move like this bar, you have to translate. You have to say, I want to move it 25 millimeters over from the center and park it right there. And this one is, it's 75. And that one's at 50. So you just kind of tell it where you want your things to do, your items to go. It does it. And you can actually take and put a hash mark in front of it, and it turns it red. So you kind of know where we're working at. So I went up here to some of these are, I can put a hash mark in front of it and basically, see, it just came up, it showed that one right there, that's the one right there. So you can actually, it's all coding though. And really nice, but a couple of the guys at DHMN kind of showed me, piqued my curiosity, and I just started doing it. I said, oh, that's pretty easy, because I've programmed before, and it's like I can do this.
And then how did you get that prototype made?
Because the thing that's nice about this program is you it is, I'm trying to get actually the menu up. It's not coming up. Oh, because it's kind of shrunk. This kind of sucks.
And what is the name of this program again?
OpenSCAD
OpenSCAD.
with open and then S and then CAD, and it's really, I have other. If I could get to the menu,
Can you,
which
can you kill the weather up there? Right click and close it or something?
No, cause it's all, my whole bar on top
Oh.
is actually.
Can you drag it down and make it a double bar on the top?
Or maybe I can just close it. Open it up again. Oh, there we go. Oh, this sucks. Because I opened it up before I. Yeah, I'm trying to find that system sound. Okay. Oh, there it is. 1 seconds. Split this. Now, this should work. Yeah. What's nice about it, okay, you can save it as an STL file, or export it as an STL file, and what it does is then you can print it.
Yeah, STL is the print format. Is it sliced or something?
Yeah, I don't know what it does, it just does it,
I
but,
know, because I know STL files make sure that it is physically possible for a 3D printer to do it.
yeah, and
Like
you-
there isn't a floating part in the middle that is impossible for the printer to print and that sort of stuff.
and you can take, import, the DXF files, which are the AutoCAD programs, and then make them 3D, but I really got them 3D. There's some guys that show you how to take gears and use Inkscape and basically stretch the gears. I'm kind of going, that's pretty cool. Oh, but I have a whole bunch of like modules on what I'm working on. Like ear cone. This is one of my ears. So I did that in like here's where the mouse. I did that one. Oh, that's not the mouse. Oh, that's. Here's ear base. That's this here is what the ear attaches to. So this will have the microphone in it, and then the ear will kind of fit over it, kind of push onto it. So this will. So the inside of that will have the microphone, and then it'll. So two sides, with on the side of this.
Okay.
So that's what I'm doing, a whole bunch of ears, and then I have a mouth. Here's another ear. I gotta change this one. It's got the wrong base here. So that's gonna have like a. I like it. I think it looks cool that you can take things and roll it around like this.
Basically 3D model.
Yeah. Well, you can take Blender and take some of the other programs like Inkscape and import into this and then work your magic and then print it up.
Well, since you brought it up, could you import from this into, say, Blender?
I don't think you can, because.
Well, there's a bunch of stuff you can export to. Where was that?
Yeah,
Yeah. So export as STL, OFF, DXF, CSG, or an image. So I mean, there's a fair amount of stuff that you can export to, and it's possible Blender will pick one of those up. I don't remember what it does and does not pick up.
and you can even animate it, but I haven't got that. But it's all in programming, so that's nice. And Alex and a couple other guys have been using it before. I was like, oh, try it. So when it was kind of cool when I made when I finally made this.